What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be installing a phone mount in my F80 M3 today. Shout out to Auto Addicts USA for sending this product out. This should be a quick one, but I'm excited to install this phone mount and show you guys what else they sent me out. But thank you guys for clicking on this video. Thank you for everybody who entered the giveaway so far. We had a lot of good feedback, a lot of good comments. Again, the winner of the giveaway is going to be announced next Wednesday. So if you haven't already, enter, and good luck to anybody who has already entered. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for future content. Now let's get into this one. I was supposed to start on my ceramic coating video for my wheels, but I wanted to get this video out of the way since it'll be a quick and easy one. Again, shout out to Auto Addicts for sending this product out. But we are going to take some time this weekend and deep clean the HREs, even though they look absolutely beautiful right now, because they are. I haven't moved my car since I did my wash this week, so cleaning up the wheels shouldn't be too bad. Give you guys a little look at them. So yeah, I'm gonna take my time, do that this weekend. Absolutely love my new garage lighting. But in today's video, we are going to be installing a magnetic phone mount from Auto Addicts. Again, huge shout out to them for sending this product out. Let me go ahead and unbox this for you guys right here. You guys have probably seen this on the forums or Facebook. A lot of people run this phone mount because it's so easy to install, and it actually does a great job holding the phone in place and where you want it. So let me take this cover off and show you guys what we're working with. Nice. I opted for the black, obviously. Black goes with my car, but I'm pretty sure they also have like red and blue. And again, this is for all F Series BMWs. I mean, this thing is pretty high quality, feels like aluminum, and essentially this goes over the hazard lights and where you unlock your car. And then there's two bolts on each side, and you just put this in and then screw on the sides as tight as it goes. And that's literally it. It's super easy DIY. We'll get into the car and show you guys a little more. Super nice product. And then right here we have the magnet itself. You guys can see there, it is an M logo. So if you guys have a clear phone case, you'll be able to see through, which I think is super dope. And then they also have a little Allen key right here that comes with the kit. I'm tired of having my phone in the cup holder. For those of you guys that need navigation or you want to change the song, this is going to be perfect for that situation. And then real quickly, I wanted to show you guys one more product they sent out to me, and that's this beautiful red M logo leather band or keychain that they sent out to me as well. I mean, this is sick. It goes perfect with my car, with the black exterior, my Your Custom Parts paint match key, and then the red leather keychain with the M logo is super nice, super high quality, which obviously goes with the interior. So I think that is a sweet little addition. Make sure you guys check their website out. Everything will be linked in the description below. Again, it's Auto Addicts USA. I believe they are based out of New York. So huge shout out to you guys if you're watching for sending these products out. I've been rocking the keychain for over a week now, and I absolutely love it. Definitely goes with my style and my aesthetic. There's like suede on the outside. It feels really nice on the hands. But let's get into the car now and install this phone mount. Need extra lighting in your car? Just take one off the wall. Easy as that. So we are in the car right now. We're gonna just be installing the mount, and again, it's held in by these little screws on the sides. There's two on each side, and then we're just gonna tighten it down with this little Allen key that they provided. So in theory, this should just slide right over the vent, and it fits super snug. As you guys can see, there's like no gap on the edges. That's sick. That's exactly what we're looking for. Something that kind of blends in and is pretty subtle. And it also has obviously this M logo with the purple stripe, which I don't mind. And then now we're just gonna tighten down the sides with the Allen key that they provide. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This thing is on solid. Like, I am using my full body weight and it's like moving the dash with me. So yeah, that thing is on rock solid. What a cool little invention. You can still put your hand behind your phone if you need to unlock the car or put your hazards on. And then this is so sick. It just pivots anywhere you want it and goes in a 360 as well. So all that is left to do is put on the magnet on the back of my phone case, which you already know what phone case we are rocking with, Simply Carbon Fiber. But yeah, I really like this product. I like how it doesn't block the vent airways like some of those magnet ones do. I ran those in the past, and it just kind of gets annoying because I live in Florida and you need as many vents as you can. So on the back of each magnet, there's also 3M if you actually want this to be, you know, more permanent on your phone. I don't think I'm gonna do that right now, but it also comes with 2 more bolts for the sides, just in case you lose any of these current ones, which is nice. Can someone say DIY with a view though? So sick. All right, just wanted to give you guys an update. Sadly, the M magnet that they provide isn't strong enough to hold through a phone case, but luckily for me, I have this giant magnet plate actually from my previous magnet vent mount. So we have this big metal plate right here, and as you guys can see, that thing is solid. It's not going anywhere. Luckily for me, I had that laying around. Now I have the Five Below larger magnet on the back of my phone case, and just to give you guys a test, now it's not going anywhere. You can put the phone in landscape. If you're driving and you need directions, you want to change a song, or if you guys are on a road trip with your family, you want to watch a YouTube video or put on something for the kids, you can put it facing the back. Also have the adjustability of vertical. So overall, super happy with this phone mount. It definitely does the job. I'm excited to go driving with it in the upcoming week, and then I'll give you guys more updates in future videos. Super happy with the quality and the functionality, and super easy to install. And just like that, look at this beautiful, beautiful girl, Kona, always ready to help your boy out with the DIYs and installs. But that's gonna wrap it up basically for this video. Also wanted to show you guys, I got my Sonax Alcantara wheel cleaner in, and then the PNS Express interior cleaner. So I'm probably gonna be cleaning up the interior this weekend as well. And then you already know, as I said in the beginning, we are going to be ceramic coating my newly refinished HRE wheels. Definitely not looking forward to it, but honestly it's not that bad. I'm probably gonna make a quicker video on it, not much so a DIY, so stay tuned for that. That'll probably be dropping on Monday. And then I also have a few videos planned over the weekends that I want to do with the guys as well as in the garage, so stay tuned for that. You guys don't want to miss out. Absolutely love this light, man. Can't get over it. But that's gonna effectively wrap up this video. It was a short one and a quick one. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, and again, shout out to Auto Addicts USA for sending the magnet and the dope keychain out. Absolutely love both products. I'll give you guys an update on the phone mount in future videos to come. But again, shout out to you guys for all the love. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway. It'll be my last video. I will link it in the, top left hand corner for you guys. But I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. Take care. Peace.